Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CASHCAT token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website CASHCAT, they called it CASHCAT first. The cat that became a hood, the mascot of the movement before the movement had a logo. CASHCAT honors the origin of story. CASHCAT project is built on Robinhood blockchain. CASHCAT project institution rating is 3.3. CASHCAT project profile score is around 40%, which is little bit good. CASHCAT token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion CASHCAT token. CASHCAT token is listed on MEXC, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.